What's up, everybody, and welcome back to 23rd Garage. Today we are going to get started on the VW. Well, I say get started, but mainly we are just going to go cut off the parts. A good friend of mine, Bobby Frey, actually has this exact car, and we even already bought parts from him for Dad's Volkswagen. So he gave me a really good deal on a quarter and a door at $100. I mean, you cannot complain. Like that's a steal. Just this door right here from most of our suppliers is around $270. I'm thinking probably cut it like this, right, Nate?
Yes, sir.
Because I'm just gonna splice this in. It's not like it's a Ferrari or anything.
Right.
You know?
Let's do it.
Slice it in. So let's go grab that. Why are you hiding? Why you acting like you're working? Yeah. There she is. Oh, that door's not. But that's not a big deal. We need to. I'm gonna remove that seat real quick. We are on the way to Ace Hardware because our Diablo blades are dull. Maybe let's try 2 of these.
Yeah, let's do it.
That's it, I hope. I'll know when I get back. Look at that. Missing the whole side. That was a lot of cutting, I'm not gonna lie. Very brutal execution. Honestly, probably could have just pulled the skin off, but that'd be too long. We'd have to be too careful. If you're gonna whine about us ruining the carpet, I cannot even put into words the smell that emanates from this vehicle. So, nothing useful in there at all. All right, so we are back at the shop. We got the parts here. David, sir, excuse me. And as you guys can see, I cut it very close. I didn't give myself enough room to play with. It's like right there, like basically you can't make any mistakes when you cut this. Plus, I got lucky because a lot of times, if it'll flex the quarter a little bit past the actual damage. So like with a cut like that, if you had any warpage here, you'd have to just body work it. But as we sit right now, it is possible to splice that quarter panel in here with minimum amount of bonding. So here is our door. As you guys can see, there are some dings. There's a ding here, and then there's like a reverse dent right there from where somebody probably ran into it with something soft. As you can see, this right here, this mark right here, something hit it, and that cross beam in there dented the door out. But it's not a big deal. It's just some body work. For the price that we paid for all these parts, I think that it's worth doing the work. So I'm gonna lay this door down right here. Check it out right here. It's not even that bad. I don't think there's even any framework to do. Like
What makes you say that?
Well, because looking at this seal right here, and almost slicing my hand clean open right there, I don't think it pushed it in. I really don't. So what we are going to do is we are going to install that other door and see how it fits here and see if it seals at the top. And then from the inside with the door panel off, just like this, you'll be able to see if the door is sealing. Once we cut that off, you'll see that there's not really anything back there to pull. And if there is, then we will put it on the frame machine. It's not a big deal. But I think there's not going to be any frame required. And then this piece right here, look, they got these rolled pinch welds right here, which I do not know how to take off. I think it's impossible to open that back up. So here we are going to just cut it off, leaving us a little overlap for like a little gusset, and then we'll weld that on seamlessly on the inner wheel well, and then grind that flat, and you won't even be able to tell it was done, honestly. All right, guys, so stay tuned for the frame repair video on this car. And right now, in the meantime, we can go check out what Nate's been doing to his car.
Got everything primed in. It's pretty much ready for paint. Just got to walk everything out.
Okay. So in the last video on this car, that was what you had left to do, was the body work, which you seem to have nailed.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Got everything primed. Beautiful, sir. Beautiful.
Got the roof primed. Got the rear bumper primed. Got everything primed.
It looks very good, sir. Looks very good. So are we going to try to get it in the boot tomorrow or what?
Yeah, I think so. Just going to let this primer dry, block it out tomorrow, and it'll be good to go.
Yes, sir.
What's going on with the M3?
We got bad news, sir. We have bad injectors.
Bad injectors?
Yes.
Is it all of them or just one of them?
Well, I know 2 of them had issues before they threw codes, and then one of them is bad for sure, and then the other 3 are just like hanging out. So I went ahead and ordered all 6 from the dealer. They gave me a really good deal. So huge shout out to BMW of Chattanooga, and they will hopefully be here Friday. So Once they show up, we'll get them suckers on there, get the oil changed, and it will be ready to roll. Sucks that we couldn't drive it, but we're gonna have some brand new injectors on Friday, and it's going to be ripping, I promise. For now, she's going to be parked. Hopefully nobody hits it. You know? Birds are already pooping on it, man. Look at that.
Better clean that off.
Yeah, man, birds. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the content, and we really appreciate you guys watching, and hope to see you again next time. And also check us out on Instagram at 23rd_garage, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.